opening a whole box of Kinder Surprise eggs, and it has 12. It's been a long time since I opened them, and this is from the new movie Ice Age that's gonna come out soon. So let's get started. So we're gonna open up the box. Cool, they're different colors. One's light blue and one's dark blue. Alright, so let's get started. So let's start with our first one. I love these Kinder Surprise eggs. Alright, let's open it. Cool, so let's put it together. Alright, so here's Manny. Cool, his head moves around. It also comes with a little chain at the top so you can put it on your bag or your backpack. And you'll get a close-up of all the figures at the end. And remember, this is from the new movie that's coming out, and it's called Collision Course. Alright, so let's open our second one. So soft. Alright, so let's see who we got. I'm gonna put it together. Cool, so we got Brooke. Nice, and it also comes with a chain, just like Manny. Alright, let's open a dark blue one. I wonder what we're gonna get. Hopefully we don't get no doubles. Oh no! We got Manny again. Let's put him together. And there's Manny. I was just saying, hopefully we don't get no doubles, and we did. Alright, let's open our fourth one. Alright, so we got Scrat. Let's put him together. Alright, so here's Scrat. It comes with a little chain like the others. And he's always holding his cute little acorn that he always loses. Alright, let's open another one. Alright, let's see who we get. Oh no! We got another Scrat. Why are we getting doubles? Well, there's Scrat again. Let's open a dark blue one. There's only 4 dark blue ones. There's 1 dark blue one at the end of each row. Alright, let's see who we get. Alright, let's put him together to see who we get. Alright, so his name is Buck. Cool. Alright, let's open this one. You know, I haven't tried this chocolate yet, so I'm gonna try it. Yummy, it's so good. So creamy and soft. So we got Brooke again. Alright, so there's Brooke. On to our next Kinder Surprise. Cool, we got a different one. Yay! Let's put it together. So we got Crash and Eddie. Let's open it. Don't want to come out. Cool, we got a different one. Yay! Alright, let's put it together. There you go. So we got Diego. 3 more to go. Let's open our next one. Let's open it. Cool, we got a different one. We got a different Scrat. Alright, let's open another Kinder Surprise egg. We got another Crash and Eddie. So there we go. Alright, let's open our last Kinder Surprise egg. Hopefully we get a different one. Alright, we got another Brooke. Let's put it together. So there we go. Okay, cupcakes, so here are all the figures I got. Alright, first we have Buck, then we have Manny. We have 2 of those. Then we have 2 Scrats. We have 3 Brooks. We have 2 of Crash and Eddie. 1 of a different Scrat. And we have 1 Diego. My favorite was Brooke. Well, cupcakes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.